Привет! Hello! Welcome back to my Russian lessons on YouTube. This is the lesson 2, and today you'll learn how to introduce yourself and use some essential beginner phrases. Let's dive in. Subscribe for more full lessons, dialogues, and everyday Russian. Follow me on TikTok for daily tips and fun mini lessons, Russian Square. And so, let's start. Last lesson we learned a few letters. And so now we can say hello in Russian. Привет. Hello. Привет. Now I want to continue. And so we have to put another letter, S. It's the same like English S. We read the S like S, 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 air, S, S, R. It should be worse. But we can say sorry thanks of that letter. P, R, O, S, T, I. Прости, sorry. Прости, sorry. The vowel O as the English O. But it is the not stressed you need to pronounce as A. If it's stressed, it is pronounced as O. There are no rules for accent and can stress any syllable. And so, O, stressed, is O. In that case, прости, the stress accent is on E, and the O became A. O, not stressed, is A. Please remember this rule. For example, сон is a dream. The O is O. 100, 100 is 100, 100. O is O. But in прости, as I told you, the accent is on E, and so vowel O is pronounced as A. Прости. We're writing прости, but pronounce прости because it's not stressed. Goodbye in Russian we say пока. Can you hear the accent? Stress пока. It's on A. And so will be O became A. Пока. The consonant K is always as English K, K. So пока is goodbye or bye. Bye bye. Пока. К. Кот. Cat. This is O because it's only one vowel. Also, the consonant M is always as English M. Mama. Mama. Can you imagine? Is mom. Mother. Mom. Mama. Now I want to introduce you the gender of nouns. The pronoun, we have three genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Gender of nouns. Gender of nouns. The pronoun masculine, he. In Russian is on. On. To remember, is it n? And we say on. Он, Петя. Он, Петя. He is Петя, Петр. He's Peter. Он, Данила. Он, Данила. He is Daniel. Он, Данила? Да. Он, Данила. Он, Иван? Is he Иван? Нет, он не Иван. Он не Иван. Я Иван. No, he isn't Ivan. I am Ivan. To write the feminine pronoun she, она. Why is O became A? Because it's not stressed. The accent is on A. The O became A. She, она. Привет. Я Иван. Anna. Hello, I am Ivan, are you N? Привет. Привет. Иван. Нет. Она. Анна. Я Дина. Hello, Ivan. No, she is Anne. I'm Dina. Она Анна. Прости, Дина. Is she Anne? Sorry, Dina. Пока, Иван. Bye, Ivan. There is another gender in Russian grammar is a neuter with his noun оно. And so in Russian we say masculine, we have masculine, feminine, and neuter. And pronoun of neuter is ono. The O became a because this is not stressed, this is stressed, ono. And in English it can be it. And it used only for inanimate objects, not for animals. Оно окно. Is a window. Да, оно. Yes, it is a window. And so we have three gender, masculine, he, on, feminine, she, она, and neutral, оно, it, only for inanimate objects. Great job today! You learned how to introduce yourself and use basic Russian phrases. Don't worry if you didn't get it all at once. Just keep practicing. Leave a comment with your name in Russian and try greeting someone. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Пока!